Get a load of this silliness. Look at that metal power line hose. All the way down there. They're just bent over and crinkled. It's like you stepped on a aluminum can. Oh boy, we're driving over electricity. Whew. My gosh, unbelievable. That wind come right down this pipeline, Highline. It blowed decking and all off of that house. Just miles and miles and miles of destruction. Oh boy, yeah. It blew the roof slap off of that blue house. It's over there on the wood line. Oh, blah. Had to zigzag through hanging power lines. I mean, it blew shingles and the tar paper right off of a lot of roofs. I ain't got a micro SD card, so I've had to hold off on my videoing because it have all the memory used up on my phone in the haste to depart. We can change your oil after a while. Anyway, till the next event.